In Shiprocket, you can add an order in three ways: single order, bulk order, and via channels. In this video, we will learn to create a single order from the Shiprocket panel. Navigate to Orders and click the Add Order button in the upper right corner. Begin by selecting the type of shipment, product or document. Then select a pickup location. You can also create a pickup location by clicking on the plus button. Now enter your customer's information. This includes mobile number, full name, complete address, and PIN code. You can also include additional information such as an alternate mobile number, landmark, and customer email address. While adding the complete address, ensure to mention all the details like the house number, building name, street, and so on to ensure seamless delivery experience to the customer. You have the option of using the same billing address as your shipping address or entering a new billing address. If you wish to keep your customer notified about the order status, keep the box checked. Next, add your product details such as product name, SKU, price, quantity, and product category, discount, tax rate, and HSN code. You can add multiple products here. After entering the product details, you can see the order value and its breakdown. Next, select the payment mode chosen by the buyer for this order. If you have already received payment from your buyer, select Prepaid. Choose COD if the payment is pending. In the package details section, please enter the weight and dimensions of your final package. The dead weight of your package is its actual weight in kilograms. Please note the minimum chargeable weight is 0.50 kilograms. The volumetric weight of your package is the total weight determined by its length, width, and height. You can also select an already added package here to save your time and effort. You can add additional optional details like order channel, order tag, order ID, notes, reseller name, and order date. After adding all these details, click on Ship Now to assign a shipment immediately, or click on Add Order to add the order and ship later. Add bulk order. Bulk upload allows you to bulk import multiple orders into Shiprocket at the same time. It saves a lot of time and is extremely simple to use. Simply download the sample file and replace the data in it with the data from your order. Next, drag the file or click the Browse button to upload the updated file. Once the orders are uploaded, you'll see the count of order uploaded and failed orders. You can download the Excel of the failed orders to fix the data and re-upload so that you do not miss any orders in the process.